Quiet! Sprite's really talking 19 to dozen. I have to teach her a lesson. You still want to be noisy?
No.
Whew, that's only my dream. Forgive me, I'm not talking to class anymore.
Sorry, Doc.
Have a go?
Okay.
Why not? From whom did you learn that trick? My lipstick! Oh no, I have the stomachache. Whew, so relaxing. What's that smell? Disgusting. To make sure you never do that again, I have something for you. Take 2 chocolate cake and mix them together to look like the thing we all know. Got it. You have to wait for the next turn. Don't rush. First, take the food sheets to cover the toilet. Then put the chocolate on it. Put this on the ground too. Ew, so gross. It sprays on the floor too. I'm gonna vomit. You deserve it. You have a cute mustache, Sprite. Okay, keep pouting. Let me shave for you.
No.
What have you done? Stupid! You made me lose the mood. Hey, where are you going? What did I do wrong? Can I have a sip, Sprite? Sure, have yourself. What's this taste? Never mind. Better than being thirsty. Hey, do you have any bottle? Can I borrow it? I need to have a pit. Am I mistaken? That's gross. What have I just drunk? God, I forgot to tell her to drink the white bottle. It happened anyway. Lisa's tip to stay fit is doing exercises regularly. I've just had a fantastic idea. This is definitely Lisa's towel. Add a little color inside. Then put it back to its place. Whew, it feels so good to sweat a lot. Hey Lisa, are you acting or something? Hi Bun, what makes you laugh so hard? God, my tower, my face! Nice try, Bun. You would die in my hands.